If you want to know how to get free skin cases in Rivals Roblox, then look no further than this video. I've managed to find a working Rivals code that you can use right now, and it's going to get you 20 level 3 skin cases, and this is super easy, taking just a few minutes. Before I show you this method, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway. To enter, you simply have to hit that like button and subscribe, and yeah, this is going to enter you into the giveaway. I'm going to give gift cards to tons of people. So this method of getting Rivals skin cases is super easy. Like I said, this does use a working code, so everyone can do this. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get this Rivals code for level 3 skin cases. You've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. As you can see, I've been browsing and trying to find a method, and this is definitely the easiest way. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile, head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So copy that down. You can pause and copy it, but yeah, Crash Coupons is a awesome codes website. I've actually used these for previous videos where they have tons of different Rivals codes. So do just use a search bar and search for Rivals, because that's going to speed up the process, guys. As you can see, there are 5 verified codes. I'm going to drop it 5 stars. I've already done this, guys. So what you need to do is scroll down and look for the skin case code. This is going to get you 20 level 3 skin cases for free. These are limited codes. As you can see, there's 713 codes remaining. These are verified, working today in 2026. So click on get full code. This is going to basically allocate you a code. So it says here, there's check-in, choosing a valid code, and now it's found you a valid code, guys, and it's going to allocate you one. So here we go. So these are limited codes, so as you can see, the code is protected. As you can imagine, people basically try and steal all of these codes, so someone's just used one. So yeah, it does limit one code per person, but that's okay because you do get 20 skin cases. So you need to click on this button and you need to unlock your code here. So you can see this is the final step. Complete 2 free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and follow the unlock instructions below each, and this basically will automatically unlock your code once they're completed. So you're going to have a list of tasks. As you can see, they're all completely free, and you need to complete 2 of them. So there is instructions, as you can see there. It basically tells you what you need to do. They're really easy things like opening mobile games, playing them, answering surveys and stuff. So just fully complete 2 of them and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Rivals code for your 20 skin cases will be revealed here. So like I said, I've already done it earlier, and yeah, you can redeem it in game, and that is going to supply you free skin cases. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway. Go to Crash Coupons, and yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.